Hi everyone, in this project we will do one animated animal. So we will make the duck image in the first looking, just like in the previous project heart beating, and the second image is going to be like it's going one row down, and it will look like it's making a jumping animation. Let's quickly write here duck animated. And then, as you know, it's going to be animation. It's going to do this over and over. That's why I'm going to use the forever. And firstly, we're going to show this duck image from here. We will find the duck quickly. Here it is. And it will wait for a while. 100 milliseconds is fine. And another icon that we will do this manually. You can find the show LEDs from here, and then by touching just single you can enable these dots. Alright, as you see in this photo, it's like one block up. This time we move this one block down. All I need to put another pause. So now with block coding we have prepared our animation. You can see also in simulation how it looked like. It's just like a jumping. Now I'm going to send the codes. You can see also the same thing in my microbit. As you see, it displays the duck is jumping. Now let's go to the Python programming. I'm going to delete this and go to Python. So as you see in our microbit, it's animating, so we have to put this in a loop. We will write the while loop, while true. While true means, as you know, that's going to repeat the codes over and over, which are beneath this while true code line. Now I'm going to firstly show the image of a duck. Go to write basic, and then I find the icon. Alright, so this time we're gonna put here duck. Alright, and it will stay for a while, 100 milliseconds. And as you see in these two codes, firstly we display the duck, and it stays for 100 milliseconds, and later on we're gonna also show the basics dot show LEDs. Now from this window you see dots here and also one dash. These dots means the LED is off, but this dash means LED on. All I need to do is to make the duck from these dashes. I need to just put here one dash, and also here I try to keep drawing the duck by using these dashes. Oops, I made a mistake. I had to put this here. Now as you see, this is another duck, which is one row below. All I need to also add here a pause, and that's it. And I'm going to send the codes. As you see, it also works. We can make this also jump slowly by increasing the pause to 200. I send the codes. As you see now, it jumps slowly. All right, that's it. We have also done this animated duck project. In the coming tutorial, we see each other. All the best for you. See you.